Register with Elevenlabs. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, guys, I show you a great tool for you to narrate your videos with artificial intelligence and also other great functions. I'm talking about Elevenlabs, which greatly raises the quality of its videos made with AI. For you to register is very simple, folks. I'll leave in the link in the description of this video, my link to create your account. Clicking on this link will redirect you to that site. So up here, guys, it gives you two options. You log in or register. And the process is easy. Just click here to register. Here you can enter your email, create a password, and you need to comply with the terms of service and privacy policy by checking this checkbox. Any questions, guys? Just read on. Or the method I prefer, guys, you create an Elevenlabs account with a Gmail account, even faster process. So just click here, guys, and choose your Gmail account. Now you're going to choose which platform you want to use, guys. Then there is 11 Creative or 11 Agents here. And here, guys, you can see what each platform does. So here at 11 Agents, you can utilize AI agents, knowledge base, conversation tools. Here, folks, in 11 Creative, you can transform the image, isolate a voice, change a voice. So you will choose a platform here. So you'll choose the one you prefer, guys. Then you'll click here on Continue. You will put your name up here. Then you will choose the language of your preference. You need to confirm that you are 18 years old, and if you want to receive updates, you check that box. Then just click on Next. Here he asks how you heard about Elevenlabs. So since it was through YouTube, guys, through my channel, you can choose YouTube. You're going to choose an option that best describes you. For example, how you're going to use Elevenlabs for personal use, being a creator, content business. You're going to choose those options here. You can also click here to skip if you want, guys. Here, it asks you what you'd like to do with Elevenlabs, so it's going to have some options here, guys. You can also skip if you want. Here, folks, it shows 3 plans: the Starter, Creator, and the Pro. If you pay for an annual license, folks, you'll get a discount here of 2 months free. So, it's going to be here in the monthly. If you want annual to save money, 2 months free, you will choose your plan here. Just click here on Select Plan. You'll enter your credit card information to subscribe to Elevenlabs. Up here, guys, you can check your current plan. So, my current plan of 90,000 credits, I've already used it here and it's 81,408 credits. If you want more videos from Elevenlabs, put it in the comments, guys. I want to, so I can make more videos about it. If you have any questions, stick it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, everyone.